this E and U, this is pronounced oi, 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 like, you know, like the pigs. Oi, 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 oi. Huh? So you see, Deutschland. Do not Deutsch or something like that. Ein Gruß, greetings to the Italian, not Deutschland. You say Deutschland. Oi, 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 oi. Or like Europa. Or Leute. Oi, 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 Leute. So it's pronounced like a O and I. Oi. Okay. Das nächste. ER. The combination ER. Maybe you already know, for German it's difficult to have the rolling R. For me not, because my father is Italian and special people from Bavaria, from Munich, they are able to roll it, but in the rest of Germany it's really, you cannot hear it. So if you have a word with ER at the ending, so look at these words. Do you know pullover? You know this word? So it's pullover. It's like a like an Italian word, like donna. Pullover. Der. You see, der is the German article. So you do not say der. You can pronounce it. Just for you to know, you can say pullover, der. But do not get confused when you hear pullover. So if you hear a, it's the ER at the end. Er. Er means he. Or teuer. You see here, now you have two combinations with teuer, which is expensive. EU, oi, and the ER. Teuer. My view, it's easier for you. Teuer. Like it's teuer. Just try it. Not bad. Also with the pullover. Okay, good. The CH is a So if you are not lucky, you have to read a text with a lot of CH words, and at the end you have throat ache. But the CH is always a and we have two different ones. One is the I. It's no it's a little bit at the gaumen, at the palatum, so it's I. Or you have a stronger one, a Spanish one. This for the Spanish, it's easy to pronounce. So like Achtung, which is be careful. Or the word I in German, ich. It's not ich. For the Spanish, you can pronounce it also like this, ich. We understand it. So the CH is, so it's no K. Like for the Italian, you know, the CH in Italian is K, so you do not say ich. You say ich. Or the word 8, acht. Okay, what is about CHS? CHS is pronounced as an X. So the number 6 in German is sex. It's the same pronunciation for sex, the word sex. So we do not say sex, sex. Okay, what about these? The last one, the red one. Just for you, the U, A and O with the 2 points. Then you have the, I call it the French pronunciation. It's the U, so it's like through the nose. U. This is a little bit it's not A. And this is no O. Look, O. Look at this word. Müde, which is tired. Apfel. If it's without the 2 points, so you say Apfel, a normal like at the dentist, then it's 1 apple. But if you say Apfel, you don't have to look like this, then it's the plural. And it's like beautiful, schön. do not confound it with schon, yeah? Because schon is already. Schön. You can put it together. Schon schön. Are you already beautiful, or do you still have to prepare yourself? Okay. Gut. Das war's. That was it. Nein, Michele? Du hast vergessen. You forgot the DBG. So the DBG is DBG. So you do not pronounce it in like in English G. It's a G, like the Italian also G. No, G, G. But these are normally no problems. It's only if these letters are at the end of a word. So look at these words. The D is a soft letter normally. So but you do not say rad, rad. Maybe it's the Italian pronunciation for rad, or the Bulgarian name Radu. No, the final D is pronounced as a T. It's so you say Rat. The country Germany, Deutschland, or forest, Wald, or England, England. The B, it's the same. You cannot pronounce it at the end of the. I'm only talking about the end of the word. If you have it at the end of the word, it's like a P. Look at these words. Gelb. It's like the beatbox. Gelb. It's not gelb. This should be the Italian word. Gelb. What the other word? Lieb. No, it's lieb. Gelb. Sieb. So now maybe you are asking yourself, why sieb? Is that so important, this word? Okay, you have to know I'm Italian. It's almost midday and I'm just thinking on my spaghetti. And I have to use a sieb. Das ist es für heute. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed my way to explain. And if you have any question, any feedback, any wish, just write me. And if you want to continue, just click on to the next video, because then you will really start with sentences, words and grammar and all this stuff. Okay? Dann sage ich bis bald. Yeah, you see the final D? Bis bald means see you soon und guten Appetit. Ciao.